Fungula mato iboyoka. Fungula mato iboyoka.
Now, give me one more short.
Yes.
After that, right after that, one more short one. Even shorter.
Sure. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yes. Now let's pick something for him to say in this verse.
In my language? Okay, good. Get to do you later.